a bit windy.
So you don't talk so much?
We're walking to Citadel. More windy than I thought outside. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Sunny day. It's actually colder than I thought. Let me put my gloves on. Walking out. Sunny day. Yesterday was a lot of rain. Raining all day and night. Today is nice. Walking to Citadel Fortress. Going for a nice view of the city. Sky is clear today, so should be a nice view from up there. Finished? Give me a moment, okay? It's a bit shaky because I'm walking. The camera is a bit shaky because I'm walking. I'll give it to you soon, okay? I'll give it to you soon, okay? You can't really eat on the road, it's too windy. It will blow right out of your hands. See, it's very windy, right? Welcome to my live, everyone. Please don't forget to give me a like, yeah? And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. I promise you're gonna get an awesome view today from the location where we're going. Very nice view. Thanks, Waffles. Stay tuned, stick around. Trust me, you guys are gonna enjoy this view. We're going all the way up there. We're going all the way up on the top there, so let's see now. Let's cross. We're gonna overlook all of this area when we go up on the top. See, it's beautiful, right? Imagine looking from up there. Let me get my tripod so it's more stable. Alright, time to go. Let's go. Yeah, bless up, Captain. What's up, bro? How you doing? How's Jamaica? Thank you. Just going all the way up on this fortress here. So have a nice view. But first, let me get this right. Let me get my tripod set up so it's more stable. It's a bit too shaky. Alright, there we go. Right. That's better. Yeah, that's better. That's much better now. Yeah, it looks nice. It's a nice weather today. It was raining all day yesterday. It's a little bit ice on the floor, but it's good. Can't complain. So this is where we're going right here. Halifax Citadel, National Historic Site. At midday, there's a live cannon firing here as well. Should be every day though. Look at that beautiful sky already. We haven't even reached to the top. We're going up. It's a nice little walking exercise as well. That breathtaking view of the city. Just be patient, guys. Trust me, you're gonna be enlightened. By this amazing view. almost there. Just a little bit longer. Well, you can see the view already. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Look at that view. Listen, the camera does not do this view the justice. But as you can see, it's very beautiful here. But seeing it in person is more mesmerizing. This is one of those historical sites. This was used to protect the province back in some long centuries ago. As you can see, everything that's coming in from the water. See, top 5 things to do at Halifax Citadel. Commemorate World War II and the 80th anniversary day. Become a soldier for a day. Fortress. See, a lot of stuff to do here. Alright, let's keep exploring. It's windy though. It's very windy. Alright, you're going to do. We're gonna go over here for a moment, have a view, and then we're gonna go inside. 9 to 5 p.m. 20 hours. Alright, let's go over here for a moment, and then we're gonna go inside, have a visit, and explore. So we're here. This is like some information on what's going on. Before I do anything else, so I can show you guys perfectly, let me fix my camera properly. Look at it. This is history. Right. There we go. That's better. See what's going on there. From where you're standing, you can see ground zero for the Halifax explosion, the largest man-made explosion prior to the first atomic bomb on December 6, 1917. As the First World War raged around the globe with Norwegian relief ship. See, this is history. Let me rest this down for a moment. have a look inside. Literally, inside water. So I'll just walk that side first, then I'll come back and go inside. Let's have a walk around first before we go inside the fortress. But look at the view. The view is amazing. This is overlooking Halifax City. Oh, this actually goes all the way around. You know what? I'm not going all the way around. I'm gonna go inside. I'm wondering if I can go on top of these barracks to see higher view. I'm not sure, but let's see. Last time I came here, everything was closed inside, so let's see if it's open now. I'm not sure. So back in those long time ago, this was probably the guardhouse where they would stand inside. Imagine standing here for a long period of time. This is actually cool. You watch those shows on those ancient times, like closing this gate. This is how it. Oh, there's some ice melting down here. Brick road, of course. Okay, so it looks like it's closed as well. Can't go up there. Let's see what's open. Staircases are closed. That's closed. Seems like everywhere is closed. Army Museum, but it's closed though. There's an army museum upstairs, but it's closed. Oh, there's the camera. Right there. I think at 12 they fired that. Let's stick around and see. It's like 25 minutes more. And it's gonna be 12. These are some cannon as well on the wheel. Pushing those. Bang! what's going on around here. What is around here now? North Magazine. This is closed off. That looked like some dodgy place. I'm not even going around there. This is the back. Closed area. These are closed. If it wasn't closed, you could go down and have a nice view. This is the back. What's around here? Doesn't say, but oh, these are emergency exits, I guess. Oh, this is an exit here. Someone is coming out here. Oh, when you park the car in the back, this is where you come in from. Yes. Yeah. When you park the car, that's where you come in. You're in there from the parking lot. Information center. I guess it's closed because it was winter and just coming to spring, so it's gonna be tourist season soon. So soon it's gonna be open up, but not now. Inside, you can see through the windows, but I'm not a peeping Tom, so I'm not gonna peep inside. Still have some ice hanging out, but this is a bench here. Let's sit for a moment. Why not? Get some sunshine. Yeah, inside is enclosed around, so it's not windy inside. Yeah, so I'm just chilling out. How's everyone doing? Sun is shining, see? Sunshine is very nice. Outside is very windy, but because it's high, but inside is not windy because it's a wall right around. It's a fortress. Right around. So I'm just chilling. Yeah. Welcome to my live, everyone. Yeah. Yeah, cover my ears. May look sunny, but it's still cold. It's probably minus in the minus something. Yeah. Let's see. There it is. We're standing in the fortress of Citadel, part of world's history. But everywhere is closed. But we're just exploring and roaming. In the meantime, getting some sunshine, yeah? I'm wondering if they're gonna have the live cannon fire today at midday. Should be one of these cannons right here they fire sometimes. But it's cool though to see places like this and the history behind them. You can go like, whoa. Sometimes it's unbelievable what happened in these places in some hundreds of years ago. That's why they said if walls could talk, there'd be so much tales, unbelievable tales that you'll hear. But it is what it is, right? We have to just hope that history doesn't repeat itself in most aspects. Where many historical sites is concerned. Yeah, but it's nice though. I'm just gonna chill out here until 12 to see what's going on. There's few people walking around as well. But as I said, it's just spring is just starting up, so cruise ships aren't coming in as yet. So maybe as soon as those are coming in now, everything will be open because there's gonna be more people coming in to visit the site and stuff like those and enjoy the view. All right, let's keep walking. Even though the sunshine is nice. Let's see those cannon over there. That side is closed as well. Yeah, you can't go up there. What are those for? Hi, Conscious, how are you doing? Bless up, yeah? Grand Rising. Today I'm exploring Citadel Fortress historic site, yeah? Looking at these bad boys right here. Big guns. Big cannons. These are big boys' toys. No joke thing, these. Look at this, man. Imagine how heavy this is. Yeah, all is well with me, yeah? It's good. See them thing? Oh, they seal the nozzle. Big boy thing, they man. Yeah. History, innit? Man, look at this. These are some big boy stuff. They seal most of the nozzles. What is that over there? I don't know what is that. It's closed. See them? This is the cannon right here. Let's see the nozzle. Oh, they closed the nozzle as well for this one. All of them, the nozzles are closed. But man, these are some big boy gat. See, from smallest. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one. And this is the giant over here. This is giant. This is enormous. Firing live balls. Yeah, they closed on, but man. Even though this was from war and all that stuff, but it's still amazing to see like for a history to see what went on that time. Oh, this one has a little bit more explanation to it than these. These looks like they're sealed off, but this one looks like something they open or something like this pin to knock. I don't even know. Yeah, it's preserved. Yeah, it's preserved. They preserved it because it's an historical site, so they preserved it. This is what 17111. I don't even know what that means. But man, what was that thing there? I don't even know what was that. All right. But I don't know why all these staircases are closed. You can't even go up there. Yeah, see. I guess everyone had the same intention of going up there to see what's going on, but no one got that privilege today. I would definitely want to go in that building there to explore what's going on inside, but what to do? another big boy up there sitting down. Big boy cannon. So at the guards room. So this is the information board of what's going on here. Oh, so this was like a Scottish regiment for the British Army. That's it. 1869 to 1871. Okay, he looks very serious. Guard room. Oh, they close this. They're probably gonna have the live cannon fire soon.
Do they do it outside, I guess?
Yeah, they do it there at like midday, I think. So that's why they probably close it. Yeah. Yeah, firing at noon. They're gonna have the live fire. So listen, we're trapped inside. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna sit over here and chill and show you guys what's going on with the live cannon fire. 12 minutes. Yo, Christopher, where are you, brother? That's a heavy wind. So, young stuff in life, bro. Oh, let me get out of this. Get this hyzer. It's very windy, yeah? Alright. There we are. So, they're gonna have some live cannon fire here. Hi, Heave, what are you doing? They're gonna have some live cannon fire in like 10-11 minutes, so you can't go outside. You can't come in. You can't do anything now. So you just have to sit back, relax for the show. No, I'm not a fireman. I'm exploring Citadel's Fortress. This is like from those 1800s. It's a fortress, see? They're getting prepared to fire the cannon now. There they are, marching up. I wonder if that's a cannonball in the bag in their hands. Ooh, this looks spooky. An old thing. Yeah, it is. It's an historical site. But there's some live things here still because they're gonna fire one of these cannons. I'm not sure if it's this one right here they're gonna fire, or that one over there, or something on top of there. It's closed off, so you can't go up there. So I don't know if there's anything up there. But listen, in 10 minutes, we'll see what's going on. Yeah, long time ago, man. Long time. This was from what? 1867 to 1871. This was a Scottish regiment, I think. That's what I think I saw on the board earlier. But most of the places are closed. Yeah, man, we're blessed. Yeah, I'm good. How about you? Sun is shining. Yesterday was all rain, but sun is shining. Yeah. There's a lot of historical site over here. The other day I visited the Museum of the Maritimes, which actually had some artifacts from even Titanic. I'm gonna be dropping that video soon. It's actually cool. There's so much history in this province. So much things happened here that helped to shape the world what it is today. Like, whoa, so many things happen here. Yeah, give thanks to that. Lord have mercy. Yeah. Every time we always watch Titanic movie, but for the first time the other day, I went to see some of the artifacts in real life for myself. Hi, Nino, how are you doing? Bless up, Nino and Lou. Welcome to my live. Today I'm exploring Citadel's Fortress in Halifax. I was gonna go outside, but I'm stuck inside now because they're gonna have a live cannon firing at noon, so you can't move around. Normally they stop the cars and everything, but people keep stepping over the thing there. I don't know what's wrong with them. It's there for a reason. Oh, there they are. They're coming out now to set it up. Fire them big boy guns, you know? See there? A lot of cannons over there. I was just over there earlier checking out. Alright. So there they are. Yes, I do. I'm in Halifax. So they're gonna prepare their cannons. Uh-huh. They're gonna have the live fire now at noon. Yeah, they're gonna fire the cannon. That's why they put the barricades there. They do it every day.
Because I wait for it.
Yeah. If you're like on the other side, then you could see the actual like smoke and everything coming out if you're outside. But I'm not sure from inside. I saw it from outside before. But it's cool though to see those things still works. Is it? Well, my story is a bit. It's a lot of different connections. It's a lot of dots. Yeah. It's just here and there and all over the world and everything. Yeah. All right, they're getting ready. All right, let's see if we can zoom it up. Zoom it up. Okay, let me clean the camera lens a little bit. Stay there, guys. Don't move. All right. See if that does it. Not really does it any justice. But they're gonna light the torch and fire the cannon in 6 minutes. You guys can see what's going on. Right, cover your ears. Safety checks. Right. They're putting their safety stuff on. Alright. The sky is, yeah, it's cold. Yeah, it's like -3, but it's not, it's cold, yeah. But inside here is warm because it's windy, but inside here is warm because the walls are there, so it's not windy inside. Which is good. Yeah, you can just sit back and witness this. Tell me if you guys are seeing the video clear. I zoomed in a bit, but I'm not sure if it's still clear. But let me zoom out. Should be clear that time. Why is she going underneath there? They're lifting up the cannon with the boards. There's a lady walking right underneath where they're gonna fire the cannon from. Alright. 4 more minutes to go. That's where they fire it up. Gonna hear boom. Yes, Sinclair. Okay, good. Thanks. I was just checking because I zoomed it up earlier to see their precise actions, what was going on there. There it is. Alright, here's one guard coming out there. So safety checks are being done. I think soon they'll be clear to fire. In 3 minutes. Alright, what are they waiting on now? It's so fascinating to see these things in action. Because that's a cannon right there. It's a big boy gun. But they're firing one from right there. You can't really see the one that they have there firing. It's behind the wall. You can't really see it. But that's what's going on. Aiden, are you afraid? Oh boy. uh, 2 more minutes. Let's see now. Let's see if the gun is still working. Should be. All right. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Before they lit that bad boy up. Yo. It's getting windy inside here now. One more minute. All right. Ready? All right, there you go. Light it up. Live cannon fire. All right. Whoa. You hear that? Man, that's amazing. Whoa. That's amazing. All right. Cannon fire is over now. Time for me to get ready to go now. Oh. So there's a cannon there. They're rolling it back. It's so fascinating to see those things though. Really? Yeah, it's very loud. It's very loud. But I didn't really jump because I was expecting it and I seen what they're doing. But it's cool though because but it's very like echoed everywhere because it's on the top of the mountain on the hillside. So definitely it's gonna echo. But man, it's cool. It's awesome to see that every time. They're finishing up now. Cannonball. All right, let's go. They have lesson to fire cannons. I'll come and take the lesson to fire the cannons, yeah? These things are actually cool. I wonder exactly how they fire those things. I'm gonna look exactly how they fire those things. This is one right here. I don't know if they fire that one. The one there that they fire you can't really see. But the barricade is still up. I don't know who's gonna come and move it. Just gonna wait here until they move the barricades. But look, you can look through this tunnel right here. It's a passage, which is the entrance and the exit. You can see the view over there. You're looking at Dartmouth. That's actually another part of Nova Scotia on the other side of the island. You need to take a bridge off the other side of the province. You need to take a ferry, or you need to drive on a bridge to get over there. This is what it looks like back in 1749 to 1856. That's the time it takes to build. What's your name, fella? Yeah. See right there. Every day at noon, a gun is fired from the ramparts. So they have clear instructions here, so you can't go up there. But I mean, who's gonna come and move this thing? Technically, you can move it and walk over. There's no more fire in there. I think it's the soldiers are gonna come and move it. Just to be safe, I'm not gonna mess up with that. It's better safe than sorry. I didn't put it there. That's rules. Sometimes it's best to follow the rules. See if they're gonna come and move it. If not, I'll just ask them. There's even like more buildings underneath the bottom there. Going on. A lot more stuff. Sorry, can I move the sign to go through?
That's no problem.
Ah, okay, thanks.
Yeah, the security guards just finishing up.
Ah, okay. Okay. Alright. It's actually stronger than I thought to move it. Let's go. Go over. Alright, there you go. Yeah, it is. It is. This is the guard room. I guess the guards will be standing here. This is the gate. Close the gate. They're coming. But I mean, imagine you being a soldier standing in this little guard room for a long, long time. So narrow inside. Like this. I'll be standing here. See? It's actually fascinated. Alright. Let's go. See the view? Very fascinating view. See that? But you know what? I'm not going all the way back around. I'm just gonna go down here. There's a few steps down in the bottom and the steps here, but I think I'm strong enough to bring this down. Alright, there you go. Camera is gonna shake for a little bit because I'm gonna lift this tricycle up. On we go. Alright, there we go. Down we go. This is the Citadel's clock tower. When it's in winter, this place is so pretty when it's filled with snow. I think I have a shorts on my channel with it. Yeah, I think I have a shorts. I actually made a video here before, but for some reason or another I didn't post it. I don't remember why. Nice bench to come and have lunch. Yeah, the sky is very clear, very clear. And listen, you wouldn't imagine yesterday, let's see, from Monday evening or from Sunday night to Monday, all those days, those previous day from Monday, it was like judgment, dark, foggy, raining, everything. And this morning, look at it, look at nature, it's amazing. Oh, this is High Sea Road right here. And this is still frozen. This is very slippery, I know that for sure. I'm not stepping on it. Okay. Here we go now. So this is the front. Can you walk around here? This is the front. Ooh, breeze is strong. See, that's a look at downtown. So I'm gonna probably end the live now because I have to take this down. And on those things, tripod on the phone. Thank you guys so much for joining my live. And if you haven't yet subscribed, it's getting windy as well. Until next time.